Welcome to another Tips for Trips video. Today we'll take a quick look at San Clemente. Remember, you can watch this video with optional English or Spanish subtitles. San Clemente is a city in Orange County, located on the California coast, midway between Los Angeles and San Diego. This city is known for its ocean, hill, mountain views, and nice climate, but mostly for its Spanish colonial style, or Spanish village by the sea. The beautiful pier of San Clemente ends at Avenida del Mar, and was part of the original village that later became the city. San Clemente has a Mediterranean climate, and it is considered the surfing media capital of the world, as well as a major surfing destination. Notable people linked to San Clemente: President Richard Nixon bought the vacation home nicknamed Western White House, where he wrote his memoirs. Actor Jorge Garcia went to San Clemente High School, and director Ryan Johnson was also raised in San Clemente. His 2005 film Brick features shots of the San Clemente High School, which was also depicted in the film. Many of the locations in the movie are still identical to the real ones. If you like this quick video, please don't forget to leave a comment and hit subscribe. See you!